Everyone says I love the alignment machine, probably more than my wife, but Hi, my name's Gary Homan, and together with my wife Teresa, we own Nudgee Automotive Services, which is an independent mechanical repair shop. I did start the business with my father Ken in 1991, so we've been local in this area at least 30 years. We just pride ourselves on quality repairs and encompassing as many needs as we can help the customers with for servicing their vehicles. Yeah. Pretty well 8 to 10 cars would go through a day. That can vary. We do everything from pre-book to breakdowns. We have a huge customer base of very good loyal customers, so we sort of have a saying, we just make it happen some days, which gets a bit crazy. Currently we run the Hunter Hawkeye Elite wheel alignment system as our wheel aligner, and that comes with ride height targets, also off-wheel adjustment system, as well as the steering angle reset system. It's a fully optioned system. The wheel balancer is the Hunter Road Force Elite 9700 with hammerhead. They're the two Hunter units we use, which complement each other in a wheel service area. The big thing was we went to Hunter because when we needed to upgrade particularly our alignment machine, it was the system that kept coming up as #1 for ease of use, speed of use, accuracy of use, and quality and robustness. One of the big game changers was their targets. We could see the writing on the wall with rim clamping. I know it's still out there, but that system is just brilliant in itself, and it's proven without a doubt to be a great piece of equipment. Definitely with wheel alignments, we were obviously went through the process, old laser aligners, but then going through to a Hunter, we can check them within minutes. We can check it to see if we've got a problem with the customer's car, which was a big thing for us. And then obviously the accuracy and to be able to set the rear suspension up as well as the fronts now has been a big thing. Then we had to save up for the balancer, which was, we knew we were going to get one of those, and that is just the complement to the wheel alignment machine. It is in itself is its own fantastic piece of gear, but they actually do work well together. Back in the day when I was an apprentice, we had stuff which was all in a pit, and then when we started, my father Ken and I started our workshop in 1991, and we knew we had to get an alignment machine because we just accept that's normal servicing. So we looked around and found a second-hand Hunter light aligner, which you'll see the old projector still up on the wall there. Probably our first Hunter, and it was fantastic. Like what a workhorse that was. We then changed to some laser stuff because it just got outdated, but we could see the writing on the wall with the laser stuff. When we had to get accuracy and speed, I kept looking around and Hunter kept coming up #1, and I knew about the Hawkeye and I knew about the Road Force balancer, so it just became the logical choice in the end. The alignment machine is brilliant, and I would say it is my favourite. The balancer, man, it runs a close second because you really need to complement them both, because we've had tyre pull issues that are not alignment issues, and the Road Force balancer is the one that seals it when it's got straight track on it. This is all I've ever done since I was 15 years old, so look, we just take pride in doing it right, and we're pretty particular on our alignment machines, doing alignments and getting everything spot on and balancing. One thing I'll say is repeatability's been great. Return work for problems is virtually zero since we got Hunter, without a doubt, and particularly that Road Force balancer sorted a lot of balance problems out that we get referrals, and we do specialised wheel alignments for that reason. Oh, I've recommended Hunter for many businesses over the years. In fact, one of my good friends about 7 years ago came to me and asked for what would I recommend in a cheap wheel alignment machine? I said, don't even go to a cheap wheel alignment machine, you'll be sick of the comebacks. I said, go buy a Hawkeye Elite. And he managed to pip me by a month and bought it before me. And he loves it as much as we do, and he's turned a good profit out of it as well. So it's been good. Yeah.